Hello everyone, my name is Jamil Darwich. I am the creator of this website that I am about to explore with you in a second. Uh, the website is built for a business that I intend to start in the foreseeable future. As you can see, as soon as you open the main page, you can see that I have a dog on the main page. Tell you that the business is about dogs. Basically, it's about dog care, where people can drop their loved ones in our care and pick them up later on in the evening. And there's a possibility also for people that travel for a few days to leave their furry loved one in our care and can pick them up after they are done their business or after they come back from their own vacation. So, me and my family, we love dog a lot. So, it did not take me too much to express how I feel about dogs to write the description of my business. So I use here the logo, heart logo, as expression of the love for the dogs. Since we added Nico to our family, I grew a passion to for animals, and we ran through obstacles. Sometimes we wanted to leave house, and we had no place to leave our dog, a place that we are uh, have peace of mind that our dogs is gonna be taken care of. So I decided to, you know what, it might be a business that I can start sometime in the future with me and my family. As you can see here, I we intend to add a female dog to our family. So Nico has a companion. So we go to went to a store here. I took a picture of a few puppies. Unfortunately, they did not have a pure white breed female to buy one. So I just took a picture. It was something I use on my website. Here you can see my dog playing with other dogs. And the dog park in my apartment, my little girl and my wife. As I said, because we love dogs a lot and we understand the need sometimes that the people have to leave for a little bit of time, so we decided our business is going to be open 24/7. About us, this is our team, which is pretty much, as I said, my family member, my kid is going to be a vet, my little daughter, bath and grooming, and I'm supposed to be the customer care person. Our servers, daycare. We love dogs a lot. We can take care of a dog like every dog that come to our care, like if it's our own. So you don't have to worry about leaving your pet with us. It's gonna be taken care of like he's at home. You can see this is me over here, my daughter and kid, my kid over here, my wife. We kind of gathered and took a few pictures so we can use building our website. Also, part of our service is going to be grooming, uh, shedding, and grooming. So you don't have to worry about have your dog shedding at home all the time. Pet accessories also is gonna be added to things that you can buy purchase from our center. As I said, since I don't have the business yet, so I use some of the pictures that I took myself throughout the year and with my family. Uh, so again, I'll show here like it's my dog Nico. We love our dog a lot, and I know that every person on a dog are so in love with their dog, and they want the best care possible to their dogs. this is not the location, final location yet, but you can see my location soon on the real location soon on the map, just like here, just like that. This is a business email you can use to reach us out if to acquire some more information. I hope you enjoy listening to our presentation, and have a great day.